Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by mapping the general awareness syllabus and setting a daily routine. This ensures focused coverage. Once done, allocate 60 to 90 minutes each day and split time. 30 minutes for news updates, 30 minutes for conceptual study, 30 minutes for quick revisions. Make sure to gather reliable sources, one comprehensive banking awareness book, a monthly current affairs digest, and daily editorials. This structure lets you start immediate practice while building steady knowledge depth, not just surface memorization. Now you move into active learning and consistent practice. This is where improvement compounds. You should use spaced repetition for facts and dates, reviewing after 1, 3, and 7 days to lock memory. Once comfortable, practice 20 to 30 multiple-choice GA questions daily under timed conditions so you learn pacing and question patterns. Make one-page cheat sheets for each topic and update them weekly. They speed last-minute revision. These steps force retrieval practice, which strengthens recall far more than passive reading. To finish, you focus on full-length mock tests and targeted refinement. Mocks reveal real weaknesses. Take a full mock at least once a week, replicating exam timing and environment so your stamina and strategy solidify. Once done, analyze every error and tag it. Knowledge gap, careless mistake, or timing issue, then adjust your plan accordingly. If time management fails, increase timed practice. If knowledge gaps persist, return to concept study. One troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, cut content breadth and deep dive core banking topics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.